Hey everybody, how's it going? Today's video is going to be about my new Gooseneck Gatormade trailer that I have for work. So I just got it hooked up. I've used it a couple times since I've got it here in the last month, but I had the B&W Gooseneck ball installed that has like the little pin here that allows you to release the ball so you can flip the ball over here to have a fully flat bed. It's got the hooks so you can hook up your chains. And then, you just hook up your gooseneck like normal. I did get a couple of locks for the gooseneck so that it's just sitting here in my storage lot and making sure nobody gets it. So I've got this one for the two lock bolts, and then I've also got one that goes on the coupler itself. It's in the toolbox of the trailer, but those are proven Industries locks. Say what you want about them. I think they're okay. They do their purpose. If somebody really wants to steal the trailer, they're gonna steal it. So I also had the company install the wiring provisions in the bed so I can hook up the gooseneck and hook all my wiring up right there. Relatively easy to hook up the gooseneck by myself. I've got this little E-way camera with a little screen inside. Makes it so much easier. The first time backing up to hook up the gooseneck, I was like in and out of the truck like 12 times. I did it just now in like 3 or so times, just making sure I'm not too far forward or too far back. Getting center on the ball is easy, but once you know where you're at in relation to the ball this way, it makes it easier having the camera. So this does have a toolbox up front with lots of stuff. So I put all my straps and miscellaneous things in the toolbox for like when I'm hauling a load. It's nice. These trailers come with a fire extinguisher. They've got dual jacks with a 2-speed crank here. So you push in for the slower speed and you pull out for the faster speed. Makes lowering and raising a lot easier. Bed on this is 25 feet plus 5, so I've got 30 foot of bed here, which will allow me to haul a lot of long stuff for work. I'm very pleased. I've used it already a couple times moving material between job sites. So the ramps are really easy to open and close. I don't know if I'll ever use them for equipment, but it's nice to have that option if I ever need it. There's a clamp here that you just release, and then they're spring loaded, so you don't have to kill yourself flipping this over to get it down on the ground. I've done it. I'm not going to do it right now, but all LED lighting all around. It lights up pretty good at night. This is a triple axle, single wheels per axle. It rides really good on the highway, empty. I've rented other trailers that ride really rough when they're empty, but this just rides really great on the highway when it's empty. And I haven't had it on the highway with a load yet, but I've been around town with it and it rides pretty good. The GVWR is 14,800 pounds. We derated it from the manufacturer because I don't have a CDL and I'm not interested in getting a CDL, and I don't think we'll ever have the amount of weight needed to justify using it for CDL purposes. So that's why this is a little bit lower than what actually the trailer can tow. They delivered it right to my house, Gatormade. They make them in Kentucky. It's a nicely built trailer. I'm pleased with it. It's got trailer brakes, electric brakes, and then there's also a work light up here. When it's plugged into the truck, it shines onto the bed back here, and there's a switch that turns it on right there. It should be lit up now. Yeah, you can see it's turned on, so that's nice. The toolbox is big. I got it locked right now. I don't have my key handy, but the toolbox is big, and they give you a nice wiring diagram if you ever need to fix your wiring, which is nice. It does lock open so that you don't bang your head when you're opening this up. Good handles and footholds for getting up and off this trailer. So there's a grab bar right here. There's a grab bar right here. There's a foothold right there. And they're diamond plated, so it's good grip, and you can get up and on that thing pretty easily. And that's on both sides, which is nice. I just wanted to share this trailer because it's something to do with trucks, and I know you guys like trucks. So my 2500 pulls it just fine, and it squats a little bit in the back. I don't know if there's something out there I can do to help it with the squat. I guess I'll have to research that a little bit. It seems to handle it just fine. No big deal. No big problems with it. So that's all. I just wanted to share this video. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for new videos. We'll see you next time. Later.